Hey friends, Fatwood Friday. I'm going to try something a little different today. I got my Victorinox and I'm going to see if I can make a fire just with it. We got one little piece of fatwood. So we'll just see what happens here. I just got this this is the same. This is the Victorinox that I carried when I was in the Army. I was going through some stuff and I'm like, hey, I've got a couple different ones. This one was just in a small horizontal pouch on my belt. So when I found it, I added, it's got a little ferro rod in it. Take the toothpick out. So I didn't carry nothing back here. My little piece of fatwood, I keep fatwood in the shelter that's behind us, or behind you. So basically the camera and my knife. So there's some shavings. I'm going to use the back of the saw to try and scrape some fine stuff. It's pretty easy with the big ferro rod, but I don't always carry a big ferro rod. There's one in my pack. I have one in my kit that I use all the time on videos, but pack's always in the truck. Okay, we'll see if this will work. So like I said, the knife has a small ferro rod in it. Definitely not going to be a one and done. But that's why we practice this stuff. It's probably a lot more realistic if you're going to be out somewhere. Okay, try this again. And these smaller ferro rods they throw spark, but that spark is not always as hot as the There we go. Took a little bit of work there, but I got it. So happy Fatwood Friday. That's with the Victorinox. I'm not even sure what model this is. I'm sorry, this is Wagner. It's not the Victorinox. Swiss Army knife. All right. Everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Get out and experiment. See if you can do it. Thanks for watching.